Is it real?
He's going shopping, babe.
Where are you going?
He's going down. Oh, he's going down the escalator.
Oh, he's going slow.
Dude, he's going down the escalator. Oh my God, this is happening.
This is so sad, Birdie.
Dude, this is so good. Oh my God.
He's never gonna get there.
He doesn't know that though.
Maybe you plan something a little more interesting than hanging out at home watching TV?
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury? La réponse dans le charmant village de Saint-Céré.
Oh shit, they're fighting. They're full of fighting when
Oh, bye, little bird.
I got bitches all on my dick and every day, sucking on my balls, licking on my balls. Bitches, they know, stick it in that booty hole. My balls, suck on my balls. Come on.
Little fishy. Oh my God! This one is about 12 pounds, but they can grow to be
I can't wait just to shit on you.
I just wanted some head. Dab, 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 dab.
Christopher,
Dab.
I want a divorce.
Dab. Bitch dab.
I love you so much.
Stop. Stop it.
Ender.
Say hello, Harry. You're a lizard, Harry. Harry.
There, in the bedroom, is our friend.
We need to find him a female bug. Yes.
Attention dog, you are no match for my powers. Surrender now. Shit.
Come on, you can do it. Come on.
For then will I fly away and be at rest.
Yeah, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like crazy.
I'm cold as a lion with no hair. If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear, cause that bitch gon' need.
Little gecko. Angry gecko.
He's not angry yet.
Hey, sorry.
Come on, little lizard.
Come on.
Bye-bye. Outside for
Outside.
you.
What'd you do?
Norris! You just peed on my phone.
Is that a footy?
Hey, look. Look.
What, let's see. Got white stuff on his penis.
Oh, look, he's playing.
Oh, he's licking it! Oh, it just took the baby off the mum. That's not the mum, that's a man. It has a willy. Okay, he's done. Here.
How do you know he's done?
Well, because he just pulled it up inside of himself.
Nope, it's still.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god!
What
Did you have an orgasm?
Oh my god, I think he just came.
It's a turtlegasm.
Look at his eyes are rolling back in his head.
He's doing it again.
Is he?
Yes.
Gotta see.
Is that turtle pee?
No.
No, I think that's turtle cum.
But can I find this in Arlington?
Oh, good grief, yes.
Oh boy. Let's see how long it is. Let's hold it out.
This guy is probably close to 5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area.
What the? Get this thing off me, man! Get this thing off me, man! God dang! What is this thing jumping at me for, man?
He likes you.
Yeah, I can tell, man. All right, let's try to get back under control.